Hey everyone, I'm Leah from LuckyVitamin, and I'm here today to talk to you about PiperWai Stick Deodorant. You may already be familiar with PiperWai's deodorant that comes in a jar, and this product came on the scene in a big way. And while people loved this deodorant and the effectiveness of it, not everyone loved how you had to apply it. You get the same effective formula that uses activated charcoal to absorb moisture and fight odor, but now they've added a plant-derived wax that helps make it more of a solid. All the ingredients are still natural, so no aluminum, no parabens, no artificial fragrances. And the best part, it glides on smooth and clear and doesn't stain your clothes. Another bonus of the stick is that you get 35% more product, so this will last you even longer than the jar. Give it a try and let us know what you think in the comments below. If you love it, tell your friends, tell your family, and spread the wellness.